morning. It's a beautiful morning. Getting ready to go to the farmer's market. And let me close the tailgate. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sweet Lord. Sweet Lord. Sweet Lord. Sweet Lord. Oh my God. Okay. So anyway, it's been 10 years since I haven't been on YouTube. And a lot has happened those years. But anyway. Okay. Oh, and I haven't had meat for a month. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I need my key. Oh my God. There is a problem with the key. I'm always losing the key. And my phone. I could be holding my phone in my hand. I'm like, where's my phone? You know, it happens to some people. Okay, we're back. We are back. But it's been one of those years. The reason I stopped eating meat is because I feel like I was getting overweight. And guess what? My car won't even start. Not good. It's dead. Great. It's dead. Help me. Help me. I might have to get my brother-in-law to give me a jump. Well, bummer. Let me see if he can help me. Because this is it's gonna be one of those days. I'm gonna be late, but anyway. Oh, what's happening today? What's happening? Okay, so I quit eating meat because I felt like I was getting overweight, and I think I lost some weight because my belly is not as big. See? 1 month no meat? Come on now. And I don't desire to eat meat anymore, so meat is meat is not that great. I eat pretty much tuna, fish, and shrimp, and boiled eggs, lentil, and what else I eat? Wheat bread. I don't drink as much water as I should, but yeah. Oh, and I expect my car to die. What is it? Oh, sorry, I got toilet paper on my hair. I was wiping my eye with a piece of toilet paper because I had a little spot in my eye. So anyway, I'm gonna go because I gotta get my cart going. So I will be posting more video soon. See you guys. Have a blessed day. God bless you, and Jesus love you. Bye.